Today's delivery. Didn't order anything for 3 weeks, and now I've got back to ordering stuff. This has already been opened. What a surprise. It's not technically international. Ordered that on AliExpress, but it's actually from a place in England. It's not the other stuff I was expecting, but this, I've already got some. I've not eaten them all, but they were so nice that I had to get more. It's that simple. Really that simple. Now I've already got the orange spicy ones of these, and I figured I'd try for these. These are the hot ones. Hot and spicy. This is going to be a mistake. Now I cannot eat the spicy ones as they are. They're just too spicy. I rebel. But I do love them, having them mixed in with the noodles. Oh, these are noodles, by the way. Korean. It's a sad state of affairs where I've got more faith in the ingredients in Korean food like this than I have buying food in the supermarket. Now, when you buy carrots from Morrison's, and I recorded it, so you want to sue me, fucking go for it. They were oozing toxic sludge after 3 days, and that's fresh carrots. So these, they're bloody awesome. I've got the orange ones. I figured I'd get these and try. Because what I normally do, I take this and I'll put it in with the noodles. So I've got 40 of these. And 40 of these. Extra packaging compared to last time. Last time the packaging was a bit less, but that's what these are. Now these are 120 grams, which means they are roughly 3 to 4 times the weight of your supermarket. In a second, I'll show you. Right, I've actually got vodka on the go in me still, and I just want to plug in the water. Anyway, these things, that's, what does that say? Some of these are only 35 grams. That one, I think it says 60. Yeah, my eyesight is shit. Right, that's 65 grams. So it's roughly half the weight of that. Now, I would happily pay more for this because of the flavour. These have 2 sachets, I'm assuming it's the same as the other ones. It has 2 sachets of flavour, and, God, you sit down, out of breath, too knackered, too fat. So, these things are nice, they're great little snacks, but the flavour is rather lacking. Sit my ass down. But the flavour is rather lacking on these ones. Yeah, they're nice enough. They work out generally 3 or 4 for £1. So for the sake of £1, you can generally get 3 of these, which would work out at about 180 grams in weight. Now they're okay, they're nice, but they're bland. Very, very bland. So for, say for 2 of these, you'd be talking 80 pence. But they're bland. You wouldn't want to make it up to more than half a litre of liquid to drink it, because I use it to drink as well. So you're talking half a litre for about £1. These, I can make it up to 2 litres with this, and if I have this in combination with the little thing that I've lost, if I have that and one of those little tubes as well, it works out at about £1 per setting, and that will make me 2 litres of really nice noodle soup with a really, really good strong flavour. So it's well worth it. I'm not on commission. I've now got 2 boxes of this, and I've got a load more in the bedroom. And they're just really filling. They're a really good drink. And they taste more like... This tastes like it was mass produced in Ireland with helpful ingredients from Israel. Aka baby products, as in from Israel, Johnson & Johnson. That's what it reminds me of. Very artificial flavour. Whereas these things, they taste like you're in a bloody curry restaurant. They taste really nice and they've got a good flavour. You get a nice hot sweat because it is spicy food. These are actually extra. These are actually the spicier ones, which I've not had yet. I've had the normal spicy. So yeah, next time I go camping, hopefully in a couple of days, I'll give them a go.